What lies beyond the silo might just destroy everything within. Season 3 of Silo is on the horizon, and trust us, it's darker, deeper, and deadlier than ever before. Secrets will be unearthed, loyalties will be tested, and the truth might not set anyone free. Are you ready to uncover what's really been buried beneath the surface? Let's break it all down only on Screen Explain TV. Hold up, did Silo just set us up for the most mind-blowing twist in dystopian TV history? Because Silo Season 3 is officially in motion, and it's about to explode with secrets darker and deeper than anything we've seen before. After the shocking revelations of Season 2, fans are buzzing what's really beyond the walls. According to inside reports and early buzz, Season 3 is expected to begin filming later this year and will likely adapt the final installment of Hugh Howie's book trilogy, Dust. And that means the truth behind the Silo system is finally coming out. Think new Silos, hidden agendas, and possibly even survivors or tech we've never imagined. Juliet's journey is far from over. She is rumored to step into full-on revolutionary mode, challenging the very core of the system that's kept humanity underground. But here's the kicker. Fans believe we might finally see what the outside world truly looks like. And it may not be as lifeless as we were told. Rumors are swirling about mysterious new characters, shocking alliances, and a finale that could flip the entire narrative on its head. Some whispers even suggest that not everyone inside the Silo is entirely human. Yeah, let that sink in. If you thought Season 2 was intense, Season 3 promises full-on war, wild revelations, and a desperate fight for freedom across every level of the Silos. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and comment below. Do you think Juliet will survive what's waiting outside? The countdown has begun, and the truth is closer than ever. If you are as obsessed with the mystery, rebellion, and revelations as we are, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell so you don't miss a single update from Screen Explain TV. Drop your wildest theories in the comments, because in this Silo, every idea could be the key to the truth. Until next time, stay curious and stay underground.